Here we are, Mountain View Carpet Cleaning, doing a kind of a job using the Roto, what is that thing called? CRB. It's got two brushes rotating against each other. This is all the hair that was pulled out of the carpet. Previous owner must have had a cat or something, because this guy has a white dog. And what this does, excellent for allergy relief, but just see all the hair everywhere. This is all pre-vacuumed. That machine digs it out, gets it out of the fibers. Brush Pro 20, counter rotating brush is what it's called. Mountain View Carpet Cleaning. If it ain't steaming, it ain't cleaning. So this is where the low moisture guys would leave off. I mean, it looks cool. It's got those fancy lines and all that stuff. But I'll tell you what, now we steam clean it. So then you actually extract the soil into the machine. You're going to hear running in the background. It's got a 100-gallon waste tank. Where there, they'll say, oh, it will just encapsulate. You can vacuum it up, blah, blah, blah. You know, so this is where they would stop dry cleaning. Where this is not what you want. I mean, there was no cleaning involved. We were just scrubbing in the pre-spray and, you know, like rubbing a rag over your clothes and saying you're clean. It's not, you're not clean until soap and water and rinse everything out. So Mountain View Carpet Cleaning, if it ain't steaming, it ain't cleaning.